Hey there y'all, Lolita's in the kitchen and I'm getting ready to cook some good air fried healthy hot wings. So let's get cooking. Alrighty, let's make some hot wings in our air fryer. Let's see how this works out. Here are my wings. I bought a 5-pound bag at Walmart's. And I've got them battered in a little bit of Bisquick. And we're going to load them in the air fryer. And we're going to cook them 25 minutes. And we will check them at the 12-minute mark. See how they're doing. Alrighty. The wings are loaded and ready to go into the air fryer. Let's see how this turns out, y'all. It's the first time I'm using this little gadget. As you can see, I'm cooking this at 360 for 10 minutes for a total time of 25 minutes, but I'm going to check at the 10-minute mark. Alrighty, at first glance, 10 minutes in, and we've got to cook it 20 more minutes. So I'm going to move this around here so it cooks evenly, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, y'all. Fresh out of the air fryer. I'm telling you, this don't even do it justice. Stuff looks awesome. So I'm fixing to put them on a platter, go over there and start eating some, and let you know what I think. Alrighty, y'all, it's time for me to test these hot wings. I'm excited. Ooh, 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 that baby's hot. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful is that. Oh, it's so hot. How about I burn myself? Let me try this other one. That is just so hot. Y'all, if you don't have an air fryer, get one. That was delicious. Now let me eat. Talk to y'all later.